core principle of My Measurement Assistant and My Measurement Assistant Plus is all about providing you quick and easy access to data and information about your devices, whether that is documentation through to the troubleshooting tools of dynamic QR code, condition monitoring, um, everything that is built within My Measurement Assistant and the Plus functionality. One of these such features, which is one of our add-ons, is our visual remote support. Um, Visual remote support is a call function which enables you to quickly get remote support from an ABB expert to help you with your um, any issues you're having. It could be about getting more information about the device, learning how to operate it if you're having issues, as well as some additional troubleshooting um, with the aim of avoiding having to have a full service engineer come out for a call out, which ultimately saves money for yourselves by using these remote support tools. Within MMA Plus, you can view and manage any visual remote support entitlement that you have with your account. So you can see here we've got a dashboard where the number of hours you have entitlement to, any hours used of that, and historic calls comes up with the information here. You can request hours if you are low or don't have any, and you can also use this function to request a call. So this goes to your local country support team where they can come back to you with an appropriate option. For example, if your maintenance engineer works a certain shift, you can make that request to try and have a call at that time, but it will ultimately be arranged by the country as to when somebody is available. So you can make that request in there, and that will go directly to the relevant support team.